Did you hear that? It's so annoying. We have tried to screw in this screw back into place. You can see how far away it is. And we put it back into place and it immediately pops right back out. It's good for like a day or two and then it comes right back out of place again. So we are gonna try something new to fix this. We have one more cupboard that has a problem as well. Let me show you. So this cupboard up here, every time we open it, it cracks also, but it falls out of place and it won't go back where it's supposed to. We have to lift it back up into place. Yes, so it's the same exact situation where the screw is not staying in place. We have tried drilling it back in place. My son-in-law has tried drilling it back in place. It's great for a day or two and then it falls right back out. So let me show you what we are gonna do today, and we are going to try to fix this situation. So Ben brought this home the other day. It is a thread stopper tape and it goes around the screws and it will keep it in place. It says it works on all different fasteners, different types, different sizes. It says that you can reuse and replace up to 3 times. I don't know what that means. It absorbs shock and vibration, so hopefully we won't have that noise anymore. There's no drying time because you can just use it instantly because it's tape. And it just goes around. We're going to take it out, put it around the screw, put it right back in where it goes, and it should stay in place instead of falling out. You can use it for metal, wood, plastic, and more. No more loose screws. So let's give it a shot. Looks pretty easy to do. And I will show you after several days if it is still keeping it in place and if we have fixed the problem. Let's try it again. The door's a little squeaky, it needs some WD-40, but there is no clankety. And it's not falling out of place. So we're gonna give it a couple of days and I will let you know if the tape worked. But let's get to the other cabinet. Okay, so we will check back in a couple days. I'll let you know how it's working. Okay, so here's my update on the doors. It has been about 5 weeks since I made that last video. Did you hear that? Nothing, absolute silence. I wanted to give it a good amount of time, so we've just been really busy and I finally just decided to give you guys a little update. It's been about 5 weeks and the tape is working wonders. We have no clicks, no issues. The cupboard is silent, no problems. Let's check on the other one. So here is the other cupboard and it is staying in place. It's not falling down so that it closes well. No noises, does exactly what we want it to be doing. Okay, so I am very impressed with this tape and it really does help for screws that are stripped to be able to help keep your cupboards staying where they belong. Thanks for watching.